Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm filming for you my beauty maintenance video, and not just today but this entire week I will be filming all the procedures and beauty treatments that I do for myself. We need some TLC, we need some pampering, and of course it will be at home DIY style, because at the moment it's better for us to do everything, or at least almost everything that we can do at home. But not just because of this situation. After New Year's I've been doing a lot of things myself, so I thought I could film a video for you, because at the moment I think we really need to take good care of ourselves, and I definitely need to treat myself and to do some beauty related things. And the first thing that I'm doing, and the biggest one, will be my hair. We are having a little bit of hair kind of transformation here, because I'm going brunette. I'm going to the dark side again, because I absolutely hate my hair at the moment, and I myself will be dyeing my own hair. And the only thing that I'm going outside to do is to get my hair cut. I was really thinking about doing it myself, but I've never cut my hair and it will be a disaster. So I'm going for a quick haircut. I will buy a hair dye and then I will dye my hair. I've dyed my hair on my own when my hair was like dark brown brunette, and I was using this hair dye that I'll be using today too, to maintain my color, to make it vibrant and vivid between salon treatments. But today I will be covering this balayage that I have going on. I got balayage last November and I'm not really happy with the results. It was not a very successful thing for me, because first it really kind of damages your hair. It was super expensive, and at the end I was not even happy with the result, because at the moment, as you can see, my hair looks very brassy, very orangey, and it's been like that since November. And the more I wash my hair, the more brassy orangey it gets. I very much miss my brown hair. I cannot wait to dye it. I'm a little bit scared to do it myself, but as I said, I've done it before, so let's hope everything will be successful. So I have a hair appointment in like 30 minutes, but I'm going to the closest salon to my house. It's literally 1 minute away, and I'll be getting my hair cut, and I want a bigger cut this time. I want to cut like 7 or 8 centimeters of my hair. I want to get it like middle length, something like this, because my hair is the longest I think it has ever been. My hair is naturally straight. It's a very thick, very heavy, and it's quite hard to maintain it when it's that long. And also it's a little bit damaged and quite dry, and it's really hard for me to blow dry it, to style it, to do any kind of hairstyles with it. So I want shorter hair, I want brown hair, and this is what we are doing today. So I will go to the hair salon getting my hair cut, then I will get the hair dye, and I'll show you what I use and how I dye my hair, and then I will show you the finished result. So now I am back from the hair salon. I'm absolutely in love with my haircut. I'm obsessed with my new hair. It looks so much better, it feels amazing. And now it's time to finish the process, and I bought the hair dye that I've been loving, that I have used before, and this is the L'Oreal casting, and this is the 515 iced chocolate. Actually I wanted to get the color 513 iced truffle, but they did not have it, so I got 515. And again it's a cool brunette color, which is the important thing for me, and I'm pretty sure the result will be similar. So I will mix the hair dye. I will quickly dye my hair, and I have 2 hair dyes, but I don't want to show you too much because I want to show you the final result. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll
find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this outer smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that her features. You'll find her beauty goes.
And this is the final result. I'm absolutely in love with my hair. I'm really happy how it turned out. The haircut is just perfect, and how you can see, now that it's so short. I know it's not that short for many people, but honestly it feels so strange. I feel that I'm naked at the moment. My hair was so long and now it's this middle length and I love it. It feels so fresh, so light, and I feel like a new woman. The hair color also turned out really well. It's a really good coverage and I'm so happy with the results, and this just makes me feel so happy, especially at the moment. This was something I definitely needed. I feel amazing. I love my hair, and especially with this dark color I just feel myself again. It looks a little bit darker on camera, I think, and with the washing the hair dye will wash out and it will get a little bit lighter too, but I will have to repeat the same dyeing process maybe in a month or month and a half too, we'll see. It's been an actual transformation for me and I just cannot be happier at the moment. And the next thing in my beauty maintenance week is a facial and brows. And the closest thing to facial that I can get in the moment is a nice sheet mask. I love doing my mask after taking a really hot shower, and I just got out of the shower and I exfoliated my face to make it like, to prep it and to make it like extra clean for the face mask. And I think a good sheet mask is the perfect way to maintain the skin of your face between your professional facials. I don't get them too often just because there are some amazing masks. I also want to try to do some DIY face mask, but this will be a totally different video and probably we'll have enough time at home to try this as well. But today, as I said, I cleansed my face and now I will do a sheet mask. And this is a charcoal repair silk mask. I think this is a Korean brand and this is a great mask. I've used this before. But before this mask, I want to fix my eyebrows and they are not looking that great at the moment. I actually really want to get them tinted. I've never had my eyebrows tinted before. I've just gotten them cleaned and shaped, but I will try to clean them in the most traditional way with tweezers, and I will also trim them a little bit because they are very long at the moment. That's super quick and easy, something that everyone can do at home, something that I do regularly. I just clean around my eyebrows, then I push them up and I go with a little scissor like this. Of course, be super careful around your eyes, and I just trim them a little. Louis V scarf, I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. So, eyebrows are now done. They look much better now. They are all clean and trimmed. And of course, I try to not over plug them because it's the worst thing ever. I don't want to make a hole or a sparse space in my brows, and actually I have been growing my eyebrows as most of us do now, and yeah, it's not a big difference, but it looks much neater now. And now I will enjoy this really nice sheet mask. And I have to leave this for 20 to 30 minutes. This is also the perfect time to wash something, to wind down, and to enjoy some downtime. Oh, this smells amazing.
She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those.
And the next thing that really needs some TLC is my nails. And I removed my gel polish after New Year's, and I've been doing my own nails ever since. So I wanted to recommend you a few products if you have to do your nails at home and maybe if you're not used to it or you don't know what nail polishes are good. And I have 2 or 3 things that I absolutely love and I can recommend to you. And the first one is the Rimmel London Stronger Nail Nurse, and this is a base and a straightener. I absolutely love this very light pink color, and it also has the smallest bits of shimmer in it, but actually when you put it on your nails you have to put a lot of layers to actually have a pink tint on your nails. I actually absolutely love Rimmel London's nail polishes. These are my favorite, and this one, Fit for a Princess, is one of my favorite colors. Rimmel nail polishes are something that I highly recommend, and the other one that I will use today is the Catrice. Rimmel and Catrice nail polishes are so amazing, and Rimmel even have these 60-second nail polishes that dry out so quickly. They are very thick and so smooth, and this is what I use all the time. But if you have a gel nail polish at the moment, you can remove it. You just need to get yourself the acetone nail polish remover, and I found in the drugstore the hybrid nail polish remover that works for both a regular and gel nail polish. And you just have to soak some cotton in this, wrap it around your fingers, leave it for 15-20 minutes, and then you just push the nail off your nails. Just Google it. I watched some videos on YouTube and I removed myself some nail polish from my toes months ago, and it really works. But when I have to do my nails at home, I'm really not good at doing my nails, but what I do, I file them down. I love really short nails, and this is why I stopped using gel nail polish. I love how it looks, but my nails and hair, they just grow so fast, and my nails get super long, which doesn't look flattering on my hands, and the nail polish grows out so quickly. So I decided to give it a break, and I use the nail file them down. Then I add some nail and cuticle oil, and then I just very lightly push the cuticles with the pusher. I'm not sure how this tool is called, but yeah, this is what I do. And when everything is over and we can go, I would love to go and get a regular manicure with or without gel nail polish, I don't know, but to do something with my nails at the moment, I will use these products, and they work just amazing.
You be making moves that year, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that Louis V scarf or I'm chilling with.
And I just shortened my nails. They are very nice and short at the moment. I also push my cuticles, and by no means I can cut my own like little skins that you have with your cuticles. I cannot do this myself, and that's why I love getting just the regular manicures where they shape your nails and do the cuticles. But I do what I can, and then I go with the product that I really love and highly recommend. This is the base and the nail straightener, and it is a really good product. And this dries so quickly. I add 2 coats of the base, and when it dries I go with the nail polish, and this is such a beautiful, the collection is more than nude nail polish from Catrice, but it's a sheer pink that has this pink purplish sheen to it. It's really beautiful color. It goes on very smoothly, super easy to use, nice and thick, and I love how it looks, and it's just a really good quality nail that I love using. I actually don't even mind doing my nails. As I said, I removed my gel nail polish months ago, like 2 months ago, and yeah, I love the look, but I cannot maintain this all the time. I cannot go every 2 weeks, and even though I'm not even good at it, I love painting my own nails. I just find it very therapeutic, and another thing is that I like to switch my nail polish quite regularly.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
And after 2 coats of the nail polish, I go in with a top coat, and this is the key for me to finish off your nail polish. This is what locks it in and keeps it from chipping. And my absolute favorite top coat is the gel top coat from Essence. It's really good, super thin, and I think that it really works and keeps your nail polish in place for a super long period of time. But the one that I have today in my house is the gel look from Golden Rose. It's another really good top coat. And voila, nails are done super quick and easy, something that everyone can do at home to keep their nails nice, neat and pretty. And I will try to show you a close-up to show you how they look. And now to the last thing and the last beauty treatment that I want to do for me this week is teeth whitening. This is something that's really important for me. I really try to take good care of my teeth, and I like them white. I don't smoke, but I do drink a lot of coffee. This is something that I absolutely love, and I found a few days ago a few of these. These are the Crest whitening strips, and I will use one of these today. These are super quick and easy. I think they do the job, they work for me, and I like using them. So let's try these.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find the beauty goes much.
And I am done with the teeth whitening as well. These strips are really good. I think they really work, at least for me. My teeth look a lot lighter, honestly, and it's not that visible on camera, but when I'm checking up close, they definitely look better now. So another good option for you to do at home while you're doing maybe other things, and it takes just 30 minutes. I love it. And I think this was it. These were all the beauty treatments procedures that I do this week at home. Definitely the hair transformation was the biggest one, and I'm really happy that I dyed it myself, and I'm super happy because my hair was really damaged. It really needed some change, and I'm more than happy with the results. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely stay tuned because I'm uploading regularly now, and I will do a lot more lifestyle and fashion videos, so definitely subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Ciao.
She's a Mona Lisa.